Hello, welcome back. We have some questions here with us. We've been told to find the area of the following rhombus. So all of them are rhombus. So A, we have been given this one here. We have different formulas of calculating area of a rhombus. Like if you look at the first diagram, we're going to use a different formula from this one here. This one here, we have this side and we have this side. If this side is 5 centimeter, a rhombus basically is a tilted square, meaning that all sides are equal. Therefore, if this is 5, also this one here is 5. This one is 5 centimeter. If you have two sides and an included angle, you can still apply the same formula. This time around, it is written like this, that area is equals to AB sin theta. We don't put a half. When it is a rhombus or parallelogram, we use sin formula in this format. Therefore, we're going to say area will be A is 5 times 5 times sin 60. This one will give you 25 times sin 60 is the same as 0.866. Therefore, for the first diagram, using your calculator, if you put these values in your calculator, it is 25 times 0.866, which is 21.65 centimeters squared. That is the area of A. If you come to B, again, it is still a rhombus, because we've been told it's a rhombus, meaning that all sides are equal. But we have not been given the sides. We have been given the diagonals of those of these rhombus. So from here to here it is 5 and this one is 8. We can use two methods, and the first one, you just divide them into two triangles where you find the area of this one and then you multiply by 2 and then you get the area, which will be area is a half base times height, because you can assume this is the base, which is 8, and this one is the height, which is 2.5. This will give you a half times 8 times 2.5. If you do this one, you get it is 10, meaning this one here, the area is 10. If you multiply by 2, you get the area of the whole rhombus now is 20 centimeters squared. That can be the first method. Another method, we say that area is product of the diagonals, you divide by 2. And therefore, if you take the product of the diagonals, this one will be 8 times 5, then you divide by 2. That one will give you 40 divided by 2, which is 20 centimeters squared. Those are the two formulas that you can use to calculate that area. Thank you, and let us meet in our next lesson.